Ah! They must have went through the pile to find me this one.
Hold it. Welcome to this week's video. This week we are focusing on building the walls and trying to get as much of this little bunkhouse, as Robert calls it, done before we go to Saskatchewan for about a week. For a birthday party, an 80th birthday party of his uncle. That's a bowed board if I ever saw one. Holy.
What the hell? There's a knot in there and it's shooting the spikes everywhere.
Shouldn't really shoot the gun towards you, should you?
I have death in service.
You keep saying that.
Disability.
You want me to do?
Nope.
My turn?
Go ahead.
Oh. Give it to me.
No pink.
What?
No pink. 1, 2, 3.
Ho ho!
One at the bottom. Lift it up.
There?
Yeah, that's good there. And one up here. This, we'll square it off later.
There.
Yeah, just make sure the exit. Well, go like that.
It's on the inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
There?
You put an X on it everywhere. Perfect. There we go.
Oh my god, look at the back of my leg.
Yeah.
I'll be washing that off for the next 2 days.
Put that nail in there. Try to hold this down.
Okay.
Turn your gun around
I have
again.
to turn it, yeah. Hold on 2 seconds. The back leg on that thing just doesn't need to.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead, do it now. Ah! Okay, go ahead, do it. Ah!
Got him.
Okay, do it again.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Well, I'm glad you didn't mean to. It'd be a fucking lot more matter if you were meant to. Are you ready? On 3, 3, 2, 1.
You said on 3 and then you didn't pick up a 3.
You know, I did that on kind of purpose because if you ever watched anything like tick me off. But on the plus side, where I'm out on the outside, I'm on the inside. Yeah. Right, so all the inside 24s will be good. So that's the backing I don't have. So I'm going to put some blocks back here to do that. Basically, I didn't want to waste 5.5 inches or 6 inches on the floor unnecessarily. On a good note, this side will all line up. Wipe loose with the miter saw.
Do you not want to check my work before you do that?
I got a line here. There we go. That looks good.
The wall's a bit crooked, is it?
Well, it's 1/4 inch. I want to bring it over. I mean, I could live with it, honestly, but I don't want to. See if we made a difference over there. It's got to go plumb. It's got to go over. No, it's going over too far that way. So we're actually. The problem is if your studs are out of whack, see that's just about perfect. That one's off a bit. That one's just about, that one is perfect.
So this is the stud that's off.
That is perfect.
And this is a twisted stud. So that could be part of the reason right there.
Oops. Oops. Okay, so we're going to try to make some rafters here. They're simple ones, but just the same. Lots can go wrong. So we're doing a 412. So use my speed square to set that up. Now I took some measurements, so 12'8" from point to point. So I'm hoping that's right. Just gonna double check here. Got it backwards. I think I checked. Genius! Need to build some workhorses. That doesn't happen. Ah.
Check back with us next week to see if we actually have those workhorses built yet, and to see if Robert actually got the rafters built and up on the shed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. We're going for a bit of a drive on a holiday, and we're just crossing into Saskatchewan, so I thought I'd show you.
Like that, no signs.
There's a sign right there. It shows Alberta and BC speed limits.
Saskatchewan.
What is this? Yeah, Saskatchewan, sorry. We got some little kittens. Hello, kitties. Hello. They're still scared. We just brought them home from Uncle Robert's and Auntie Roxanne's when we were there for the birthday party. And so we need to get them into a cage, a permanent little home. So Robert's building this out of just, leftover plywood and stuff that actually Auntie Roxanne and Uncle Bob gave us as well. So build that, attach it to the shed for now, and once they get used to us and where they're going to be living, then we'll open it up, put a door on it, that kind of thing. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. What do you think we should call you, hey? What do you think we should call you? You're so cute.